Today, we will show you how to replace the brake pedal of your car. Start by removing the screws that lock the protective plastic covering the wires in place. Once that cover is removed, locate the second cover for the brake pedal itself and remove its screws as well. Then, carefully disconnect the brake pedal wires and remove the brake pedal from its mounting. Then, install the new brake pedal and reconnect the wires. Once secured, put the covers back in place and fasten them by screwing them back on. And you're all done. The new brake pedal is now installed and ready to use.